Are you wondering what's the best action camera for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. We're going to check out the 5 best action cameras on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the ApeMan A80 action camera. The ApeMan A80 sport action camera is a high-performance pocket-sized device that helps you be ready for what you want. Be your own director, photographer, and editor on the run, and capture life's moments in HD. Design-wise, the camera itself is a small black box with bright buttons. On the front is the ultra-wide 170 wide-angle lens with variable focal length. We were more than a little surprised to discover it employs a Sony sensor. On the front, there is an on-off mode button, and on the top, there is a select button with an indicator light. In addition, on one side, there is a micro USB charging port, a mini HDMI port, the microphone, and a slot for a micro SD card. As for performance, the A80 camera offers you 4 view angles: 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, and 70 degrees to choose from. Provides you with a much broader, amazing perspective. Built-in smart gyroscope and anti-shaking mode which delivers steady and smooth videos. The camera can take 20 megabyte still photographs and can shoot 4K video at 25 frames per second and 2K video at 30 frames per second, plus works underwater up to 40 meters. The A80 also supports loop recording, car mode, diving mode, timer shoot capture modes like time-lapse. Furthermore, with built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI, you can share and edit videos and images quickly on your smartphone or tablet to take full control of the camera in real time. Plus, HDMI, USB, and AV video output are available for connecting computers, TVs, and projectors. We must mention the 2x150 mAh batteries enable the action camera a long-lasting time of 1.5 hours recording in 4K resolution. And there are also 20 more accessories helping you record in all kinds of sports, like snorkeling, hiking, skiing, and cycling, which is essential, in our opinion. To conclude, the ApeMan A80 is yet another well-valued action camera. It's a great option if you are on a budget and don't want to spend a lot of money on a GoPro, and is one we would recommend. At number 4 is the DJI Osmo Action Cam digital camera. DJI may be best known for making camera drones and gimbals, but it's the latest gadget, and the Osmo Action is an action cam that pulls out all the stops to deliver everything you need to document your best action-packed life. Design-wise, the Osmo Action is a really well-put-together device. Its waterproof metal frame is coupled with gray, two-tone grippy gray textured rubberized sides for a great in-hand feel. It has a crisp 2.25-inch touchscreen display on back with 640 by 360 resolution. An additional 1.4-inch 320 by 320 resolution display on the front, which sits right next to a giant lens, shielded by a screw-on lens protector. In addition, the package includes a mounting frame, a USB Type-C cable, a quick-release base, a flat adhesive mount, a curved adhesive mount, and a connector screw. On to performance, this compact action cam sports a powerful 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and a wide f2.8 lens, allowing you to record professional high-resolution video wherever the action is. Moreover, the Osmo also supports up to 4K 60 HDR video recording, captures slow-motion video at rates up to 1080p 240, utilizes DJI's rock-steady electronic image stabilization, and can also operate in time-lapse and hyperlapse modes. Still images can be captured in up to 12 megapixel resolution in RAW or JPEG format. The Osmo Action is waterproof to 36 feet deep, so you can surf, snorkel, and swim safely with your camera for up to 30-minute intervals, and it can charge to 70% in 30 minutes with a separately available fast charging adapter. Additionally, the camera's party trick has got to be the front screen. Activated by a double tap of the main touchscreen, it means you can vlog to your heart's content and get your framing just right. Plus, it can be controlled via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi from an iOS or Android smartphone using the DJI Mimo app. Overall, if you create social media videos, take selfies, record videos or photos while skiing, surfing, biking, running, driving, or playing any type of sport, then DJI has you covered with the Osmo Action 4K camera. and it's one we would highly recommend. At number 3 is the Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. The Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera is an excellent beginner action camera that packs a lot of features and accessories into an affordable package. Design-wise, the Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera doesn't have quite as many bells and whistles as the latest GoPro camera models out there, but it does have plenty of other things going for it. The mini camera is 2 inches by 0.9 inch by 1.5 inch, so it's fun-sized and small, with a touchscreen giving an easy-to-navigate menu. It ships with more than a dozen accessories, including an extra battery, a wireless remote, and a waterproof case. On to performance with 4K Ultra HD, 4x zoom, 16 megapixel photo resolution, and a 170-degree wide-angle lens, the Dragon Touch captures crystal clear photos and professional 4K 30 frames per second, 2.7K 30 frames per second, 1080p 60 frames per second video, created by the Sony sensor to capture the exciting moments for you. In addition, this action camera has many different action settings, so it can be used as a dash cam in your car, on a bicycle or motorcycle to record your rides, while camping or hiking on the trail, and faster action shots like sports, vacations, and more. We like the wireless wrist remote control. Put the remote control on your wrist while installing the sport camera on your helmet, meaning framing shots or recording videos are now ultra convenient with just a press of the button on the remote control. Moving on, this is an excellent camera for underwater shots, thanks to the included waterproof case. You can dive up to 30 meters down, capture surfing, swimming, and even diving shots. As for battery life, fully charged, each battery will give you about 90 minutes. So both batteries charged will give you 3 hours of recording time, which isn't bad at all. To conclude, if you're looking for your first action camera, don't want to spend a lot of money, and are happy with some introductory features and accessories, then this Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera is an excellent choice, and one we recommend you check out. At number 2 is the Yi 4K Action and Sports Camera. For a long time, the market for action cameras has been dominated by GoPro, but that might be about to change. The Yi 4K Action and Sports Camera is made by a company backed by Chinese firm Xiaomi, so it's not a fly-by-night rebrander. Let's take a look. Design-wise, it uses a basic rectangular design with only one button on the Yi 4K Action Camera, used to switch on the camera, as well as to start video recording or to take a photo. On the back of the Yi 4K Action Camera is a 2.19-inch screen, which is toughened Gorilla Glass designed to resist scratches from daily impact on your adventures. At the base of the Yi 4K Action Camera, there's a door that you need to slide open to reveal the battery and the memory card slot. The camera takes micro SD cards. Remember that the Yi is not waterproof straight out of the box, so you'll need to add a waterproof case if you want to use it underwater. On to performance, you can record 4K video up to 30p, while there's also full HD video recording in a variety of frame rates. Plus, there are 9 different shooting modes, which include a mode that allows you to take still photos. Connecting the Yi 4K Action Camera to Wi-Fi is quick, easy, and reliable. There's a free app that you can download which allows you to control the camera from your phone, or to transfer images and videos across to your phone for social sharing. Additionally, battery life is also pretty impressive, being able to last for 2 hours of pure recording or up to 8 hours of standby. That should be more than enough to capture a day's worth of short clips. To conclude, if you're looking for something which offers good value and is easy to start using straight out of the box to take on your next holiday, the Yi 4K Action Camera is a good option and well worth a look. At number 1 is the Akaso EK7000 4K camera. Action cameras like the Akaso EK7000 have become super popular lately, as they can easily capture any kind of adventure. With its attractive price point and wireless uploadability, the Akaso EK7000 is a great budget action camera option. Design-wise, the EK7000 is very compact and only weighs 70 grams. The body itself is made out of plain plastic and the sides are textured to improve grip though. The layout is pretty standard. The front part of the action camera has just the lens and power button. The back has the 2-inch LCD screen, while on the right side it has the micro SD, mini USB, and micro HDMI ports. On to performance, the Akaso EK7000 action camera can shoot 4K at 25 frames per second, and can also shoot 1080p at 30 frames per second and 1080 at 60 frames per second. It comes with a small LCD screen which enables you to preview and review anything you record. The 170-degree wide-angle lens enables you to capture a wider angle view than those of 120 or 90-degree action cameras, which present an expansive field view. This underwater camera comes with a waterproof case that allows you to dive up to 30 meters, ideal for outdoor activities such as fishing, swimming, water skiing, drifting, surfing, etc. Besides that, you can also pair the action camera with the remote control that's included in the package. The remote control is fairly simple and only has two buttons, one to start recording videos and the other to capture photos. Because it has Wi-Fi capability, this camera can be paired with a smartphone, and it is compatible with both iOS and Android. It comes with two rechargeable batteries which allow you to record for about 90 minutes. To conclude, this is a solid alternative to a GoPro if you want to take action footage but are put off by GoPro's prices. The Akaso EK7000 Pro action camera provides everything you need at a fraction of the price, and that's why it's our #1 choice. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.